Ever wondered what makes a smart toilet so high-tech? Today, we're breaking down the innovative technology that powers these futuristic toilets and showing you why they're more than just a luxury item. What is a smart toilet? A smart toilet is more than just a bathroom fixture. It's an experience. From automatic flushing to built-in bidets, heated seats, and self-cleaning features, these toilets combine comfort, hygiene, and water efficiency, offering a major upgrade over traditional toilets that still rely on manual functions. Key technologies behind smart toilets: sensors and motion detection. Smart toilets are packed with advanced sensors that detect user presence. These sensors activate functions like automatic flushing, lid opening, or even bidet spraying without you having to lift a finger. Not only does this create a completely touchless experience for improved hygiene, but it also saves energy by only activating when needed, preventing unnecessary wear and tear. Bidet systems. One of the standout features of smart toilets is their integrated bidet system. With adjustable water pressure, temperature, and nozzle positioning, you can customize your cleaning experience to your exact preferences. Some models even offer pulsating and oscillating spray options, along with air dryers and deodorizing systems, all designed to maximize comfort and hygiene for a truly refreshing experience. Self-cleaning technology. Say goodbye to manual toilet cleaning. Smart toilets feature self-cleaning nozzles that sanitize before and after every use. Some advanced models even use UVC light to disinfect the toilet bowl, ensuring a cleaner surface for longer periods. With this automatic cleaning, maintenance is reduced, making your smart toilet as low maintenance as it is high-tech. Heated seats and comfort features. Smart toilets bring comfort to a whole new level with heated seats. Powered by electric components, these seats allow you to adjust the temperature for personalized comfort, ensuring a cozy experience no matter the season. Whether it's a chilly morning or a hot afternoon, your toilet seat will always be just right, adding that extra bit of luxury to your bathroom routine. Water conservation technology. Water-saving features are a major part of smart toilet design. Many models include dual flush systems, a low-volume flush for liquids, and a higher volume flush for solids, dramatically reducing water usage. Some toilets also feature sensors that adjust the flush based on waste detection, optimizing water conservation without compromising performance. These smart systems help reduce household water consumption, making them not just a high-end bathroom upgrade, but an eco-friendly choice that aligns with sustainability goals. Energy-efficient features. Smart toilets are designed to be energy efficient as well. Many come with adjustable seat heating and air drying options that help reduce electricity consumption. Power-saving modes kick in when the toilet is inactive for a period, ensuring no energy is wasted. While most models require a standard electrical connection, these energy-efficient systems contribute to long-term savings and make smart toilets an environmentally conscious choice. Smart home integration. Modern smart toilets don't just work in your bathroom, they integrate seamlessly into your smart home ecosystem. Many models are compatible with Alexa or Google Home, allowing you to control everything from seat temperature to lid opening with just a voice command. For added convenience, some toilets connect to mobile apps, letting you adjust settings remotely. And just like other smart devices, these toilets can receive software updates via Wi-Fi, ensuring they stay up to date with the latest features and improvements, further enhancing your bathroom experience. Challenges and maintenance. While smart toilets are impressive, they do require more attention than traditional models. The sensors, nozzles, and electrical components need regular maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. Keeping the nozzles clean and checking for software updates ensures that all features work as intended. In the event of a malfunction, professional repair may be necessary, especially for issues with plumbing or electronics. While maintenance can be more costly compared to regular toilets, the advanced features and convenience of a smart toilet often justify the investment. Smart toilets combine advanced technology like motion sensors, bidet systems, self-cleaning, and water-saving features to redefine your bathroom experience. If you're looking to upgrade, a smart toilet is the way to go.